Okay guys, let me explain to you what I got going on right here. This is a broken well positioner that I've had for 2 years. I probably used it 5 times. And it wasn't cheap. I emailed the company and not a huge surprise, but they say I can buy a whole new motor for over $500 for one broken pin, which I'm going to show you here in a second. This thing has literally been sitting on my shelf and I've only used it 5 times. I mean, I'm not making that up. This is it right here. This teeny tiny little pin that goes right here. Isn't that ridiculous? I was just welding on a thin piece of stainless exhaust tubing, which I actually have another video I will put here or wherever it goes. I'll put it in. You can actually see it start to break and it gets all like herky-jerky and stuff. So it's been sitting on my shelf for like a week since it broke, and I keep thinking, I'm like, all right, well, I'm gonna fix this thing. I look on the internet and there's not squat. I don't know if this is like a super teeny tiny company or what it is. I seen them at Fab Tech and I like their stuff and I bought one. Now I don't like their stuff. So what I'm hoping that this pin is the same diameter as a drill bit and I can cut the solid end off a drill bit and see if it'll fit. If not, I don't know, I have to look up McMaster-Carr or something, but there ain't no way I'm gonna spend $550 or whatever it was over 500 for a pin, a broken pin. That sounds ridiculous. Alright, so I'm gonna get the calipers out and I'm gonna measure and I'm gonna see what we got. And hopefully I can fix this is what I have in the garage. That'd be cool, because I kinda wanna use it. 1/8. It's not. Yeah. Man, if I can get away with this thing with a 1-inch drill bit, dude, I'd be happy. I gotta get the rest of this out though, because I don't know how long it is. I have not. Oh. Wait, is there? There's freaking 2 broken ones. What the heck? That is ridiculous. There's 2. Holy cow. Yeah, so there's the other one for this side. Jeez, man, that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. And it's broken down there too. So it's broken there. It's broken here. It's broken here. What a load of garbage. That is freaking, man. Alright, I'm upset. That's okay. Alright, I'm going to check some 1/8 drill bits. Hopefully the solid portion of the drill bit is long enough. So, wish me luck. Well, that's also down in there. That's kind of going to be a pain in the butt. I'll probably have to take all this stuff off and slam it on the table and hope I can get that to come out. Well, that kind of sucks. I mean, it's close. I might be able to get it. I don't know. I don't know if I want the cut portion of the drill bit in there. I'm gonna think about this one. I'll get back to you. Okay, let me see if you guys can see this well enough or not. There's one pin. There's the, solid end. Broken, broken, and that piece is in here. Here's the other one. There's the solid end, it looks like. Yeah, I can't tell for sure. Alright, and then this one, 1, 2, and the other pieces in there. So that is going to be difficult. I may even try to pull the TIG out and dip the tungsten right on it with some low current and see if it sticks to it and pull it out. Alright, we'll see what I can get figured out. Alright, so I tried flipping it over, tapping it with a hammer, hoping maybe it would loosen up. Nothing. I don't know, that one might have come up a little bit, but we'll try a magnet. It's got some pull on it, but it's not moving. I really don't want to resort to trying to do the dunk the electrode in there on the TIG and see if it'll stick, but because if that doesn't work, then I may be screwed and I may end up welding this. I wouldn't weld in there because it's aluminum and steel pin, but I may end up getting it really stuck in there. I could drill a hole in the back side and push it out that way, and then take the motor apart. Oh, there's this freaking grease, man. Not moving. Neither one of them. Alright. I think I'm going to bust out the TIG and hope that works. Let's see what happens. Alright. I just started with 5 amps, so I'll go for this one first. So let's just see what happens. Did not work. That's lift TIG. Alright, it's not working. I'm not getting anywhere, I'm just screwing it up. Alright, so I'll take this off and try to drill a hole in the backside and knock them out that way. Alright. Right there and right there. I'm gonna say that's probably doable with the drill bit, so let's give her a whirl. And there we go. Alright, one out. There we go. I'll have to ream that hole, but there we go. Man, what a pain in the butt. Alright, I sacrificed 2 cobalt drill bits. I got that. Try to put back together again. One there. One there. Got this guy. This guy. Got this guy here. Alright, moment of truth. Look at that. Heck yeah. Nice. Ah, that makes me happy without a doubt. Sweet. Hey, alright. It's fixed. Check it out. Ah, alright, alright. I definitely made some screw ups, and you guys saw them. So fortunately for me, I didn't break it, and it still works. So I'm happy. I can't wait to get back to burning some rod using this thing. Build some more exhaust. I got some titanium coming up that I've never done before, so I'm gonna give a whirl of that. But Another project in the books. All right, guys, always remember, never anything wrong with being a little too nuts. I'm gonna see you guys on the next project.